Welcome back. Here's this weekend subject. 2016 Chevy Colorado, 185,000 miles, roughly 10 years old, depending on when it was bought. Not entirely too bad in this lighting condition and these views, but trust me, there is a whole lot of silvered oxidation on the clear coat. I think it's safe to say that it has never been polished, probably never even waxed, and now it's time to restore it back to factory settings. Fortunately, there's no tonneau cover, so I'll be able to get in the bed to get the roof properly, or at least the back half. Just to give you an idea, over here on the trim around the mirror, you can see that this is supposed to be black, and it's not even close. And that's kind of the condition of the whole thing. It's not as obvious on the paint, but it's all got that layered of oxidation, embedded dirt, everything else. This is going to be getting a chemical rinse chemical, followed by a full 3-step decon, 2-stage polish, and we've yet to decide on the final protectant, whether it's going to be a up to 6-month ceramic spray coating or a 1-year ceramic coating. I think it all depends on how tired I am of looking at the truck by the time I'm done. It'll be done tomorrow sometime, give or take, probably around noonish. But I'll post a after wash and decon, and then an after, or a 50-50 of the hood after I 2-stage at least one side, and then we can see how it's going to turn out. See you in a bit. So my test spot's done. I ended up doing half the hood as the test spot. I used the DA 25mm Speed 3 gold standard polish and the yellow waffle. This is the before. This is the after. I'm probably going to bump it up to the Urofiber 50/50 pad because the paint, while it's in good shape, there's a lot of oxidation and a lot of minor scratches and swirls that the yellow pad just isn't quite getting to. Finally all done. Good thing this is a friend of mine. Did the Urofiber 50/50 instead of the yellow and then red combo. The Urofiber on the 25mm cleaned it up real nice. There's even some there was a bunch of dog scratches right through here from his German Shepherd. Likes to get in the car. They're mostly gone now. I used gold standard polish, Speed 3 on the DA. Then I went ahead and used DAP with the Porter cable. And then I applied Nxtzen 365 Pro 1-year coating. I was able to get quite a bit, most of whatever grunge that was on this mirror. It seemed to be on all his plastics. I got the majority of it off. B-pillars had some. They're looking nice, all dressed. Nice reflections. Did the polishing and coating this morning. Did the wash. Actually, I probably could have spent another 4 or 5 hours on the plastics. That's how bad they were. I got all the stuff that's immediately visible. The Little air dam down here, both sides was covered in it. Rear bumper was covered in it. Bed liner or bed rail still covered in it. I just wasn't willing to put in 4 or 5 extra hours, but it looks 1,000% better than what it did. There were some marks here. Looked like somebody had a vinyl sticker or wrap or something on it, or even protective film from the dealer when it was delivered new. Those are gone. I just called him, let him know it's ready for him to come get. He should be extremely happy with me with this. He was a little taken aback when I did his wife's Buick last fall, and he was talking about how bad it was, but truth of the matter is, this truck was actually about 10 times worse than the wife's car. I could have easily spent a full day just on deep cleaning. I had to cut down a toothbrush, give me about 1/8-inch bristles to be able to scrub that mirror housing. But all in all, a fine day's work, and I'm planning on using the payment for this to get some special effects for my Camaro. Those will be upcoming in a video. Just going to take me another detail or two to get all I need to get the goodies that I'm looking for. Thanks for watching.